Hello everyone. Now we have to discuss magnitude and phase angle of coefficients. So with respect to one example, I will explain the concept of magnitude and phase angle of the coefficients of network functions. So example, what is that? Let us consider one example. Show the pole zero plot. Show the pole zero plot of the given network function. Given network function, let us say v of s, and find v of t. Okay, what is that network function? So v of s should be equals to 10s by s plus 3 and s plus 2. So this is the given network function. From this we have to calculate the v of t, that is inverse Laplace of this v of s, and we have to plot the pole zero representation of that network function. Okay, so for this what we have to do, using partial fraction technique we can calculate the v of t, right? But we can write v of t which is equals to, or we can write v of s is what, 10s by s plus 3 into s plus 2, right? So from this, a by s plus 3 plus b by s plus 2, right? Let us say this is k1 k2. So this is v of s. Therefore what about v of t, which is nothing but k1 into e power minus 3t plus k2 into e power minus 2t, right? This is the required answer for us. So by using magnitude and phase angle technique we will get this v of t. Okay, this is one. After getting that, we have to verify this magnitude and phase angle method with partial fraction method, right? So first we have to provide pole zero plot. For this problem, what is the pole zero plot? First we have to get. So we all know that this is what, j omega axis, and this is real part, right? How many zeros we are having here? 1 0 at origin, that is represented with small circle, right? Origin, right? Next, what about poles? Given z is equals to 0, p1 minus 3, p2 minus 2, right? So p1 1 2 3, this is minus 3, this is minus 2, that's it. Okay, This is negative real part. So first we have to consider pole at -2, like that. Next we have to consider the pole -3. Okay, first we consider the pole at -2. So therefore what is the distance? Therefore distance from origin to 2. See, what is the distance from 0 to pole? This pole is nothing but 2 units, right? This is 1 unit, this is another unit. Sorry, there is no pole here. Simply the distance is what? From here to here, 2 units, right? Like that, from here to here, 3 units. That's it. Okay, therefore the distance D02 is what? 2 units completed. That is, we can write distance between 0 to pole at -2, right? Like that. And what about phase angle? 502 is what? 502 is what? So we all know that this is coordinate plane. This is 0 degrees, this is 90, this is 180, this is 270 degrees. Therefore this is what? 502 is what? From here to here, 502 is 180 degrees, which is equals to 180 degrees, right? Also from 0 to pole completed, and from 0 to, this is the phase angle between between 0 to pole at -2 completed. So this part is completed. This is first part. This is from 0 to -2, like that. Next we have to get from -3 to -2, like that. What is the distance from another pole to this pole? This is what? 1 unit, right? What is the phase angle here? So from, let us see. So from here to here, this is 180 degrees. From here to here, this is what? 532. So from 0 to at pole -2, we are having 180 degrees, like that. From 3 to 2, it is what? -180 degrees. So -180 degrees, or we can say that the distance between pole at -3 and pole at -2 is 1 unit, and the 532 is directed in opposite sense to 502. Directed in opposite sense to 502 means what? What is the angle 532? Now the angle is nothing but, let us say, which is opposite to 180 degrees. So 180 minus this 180 is nothing but 0. At this point the angle is what? 0 degrees. So from this we can write D32 is nothing but 1 unit, 532 is nothing but 0 degrees, where D32 is what? Distance between pole at minus 3 to pole at minus 2. Like that, this is angle between pole at minus 3 to minus 2. Because why we are getting 0 degrees, which is acting opposite to phi 02. That's why it is 0 degrees. That is phi 0 is nothing but 180 degrees. This is resultant of that opposite direction. Minus 180 plus 180 is nothing but 0 degrees. Completed. Therefore, K2, which is equals to formula here h into d02 e power j 502 by here what we have 32 e power j 532. This is the formula to get one of the coefficient, where h is equals to scaling factor. What is that factor? 10, right? Which is equals to 10. Therefore, K2, which is equals to 10 into d02 is what? 2 into e power j 502 j 180 by d32 is nothing but 1 unit only. This is nothing but e power j0, which is equals to 20 into e power j 180 finally, which is equals to what? K2, which is equals to 20 into cos 180 plus j sin 180. From this, K2, which is equals to what? Minus 20. What is that answer? Minus 20. So we have one coefficient from that equation 1. So this is completed. This is minus 20. Now we have to get K1. So to get K1, we have to consider pole at minus 3. Why? So when we consider minus 2, we have K2. Like that, when we consider minus 3, we have K1. So next we consider pole at minus 3. Therefore, what is the distance d03? Right? From 0 to pole 3 is nothing but 3 units. Like that, what is the angle 503, which is equals to 180 degrees from 0 to pole, right? Distance from 0 to pole. This is also angle between 0 to pole. This is one set, right? Like that, with respect to pole 2, from 0 to pole at minus 3. Like that, from pole at minus 2 to pole at minus 3. This is another set, right? That is, what is that? From D to 3, which is equals to what? 1 unit only. Like that, 5 to 3 is what? 5 to 3. See, from 50 to, see, from 0 to, this is 180 degrees, right? 0 to, listen carefully, from 0 to the pole at minus 3 is 180 degrees. Like that, from 2 to, from this 2 to pole 3 also 180. Why it is 180 degrees? Because it is same as the direction of that 0 to pole at minus 3 only. That's why 523 is 180 degrees, but coming to 532 it is 0. Why it is 0? 180 minus 180 0, like that. Here 0 plus 180, because it is same as the direction of that 503. So 0 plus 180 is nothing but 180. That's why this is 180, right? So finally this is distance from minus 3 to minus 2. This is angle between minus 3 to minus 2. So finally, to get K2, what is the formula for K1, which is equals to scaling factor into D03 by D23 e power j 503, which is e power 523, right? From this K1, which is equals to h is 10 by 5, D03 is what, 3 into e power j 503 is what, 180, by which is D23 1 unit into e power j 180, right? This is gets cancelled, therefore 30. So K1 is what, 30. So finally we got K1 is 30, K2 is minus 20. Finally, therefore from equation 1, what is that? V of t is what? K1 into e power minus 3t plus K2 into e power minus 2t, right? We all know that V of t, K1 is what? 30 into e power minus 3t plus, sorry, this is K2 minus 20, right? This is minus 20 e power minus 2t. This is the solution for this problem. We have represented pole 0 plot from the analysis of magnitude and phase angle of coefficients of network functions. We got V of t like this. Now we have to verify this answer. Verification. What we have? V of s is what? K1 by s plus 3, like that, K2 by s plus 2. So to get K1, sorry, first we have to get, what is the equation? Which is equals to 10s by s plus 3 into s plus 2. So 10s by, to get K1 there is no term of s plus 3, but we have to calculate when s is equals to minus 3, which is nothing but K1, right, which is equals to minus 30 by minus 1, which is equals to what, 30. Like that, K2 is what, 10s by, there is no term of s plus 2, but when s is equals to minus 2, we have to get the value of K2, which is equals to what, this is minus 20 by 1, which is equals to minus 20. See, from this we have K1 as 30, K2 as minus 20. Therefore, what about V of t, which is equals to K1 is what, 30 e power 3t, sorry, minus 3t minus 20 e power minus 2t. Satisfied? So we have verified the answer with partial fraction method. So this is the answer from magnitude and phase angle concept. This is the answer from partial fraction method. Listen carefully. So this is the pole 0 plot from this 0 to 2 units of distance, like that. 50t is what, 180 degrees completed, like that. To this pole with respect to 3 also, D3t is nothing but 1 unit, but coming to angle D32 is acts opposite to that of 502. Therefore, 180 minus 180, the resultant is what? 0 degrees for 532. Like that, from 0 to minus 3, 3 units of distance, and the angle is what? 180 degrees. But coming to 5 to 3 is always same as the orientation of from 0 to minus 3. So 0 degrees plus 180 degrees. Like that, the resultant is what? 5 to 3 is nothing but 180 degrees. So like that, we have to get the k1 k2 coefficients and finally substitute the values into the equation 1. Finally we got that Laplace inverse transformation of that given network function. This is about the concept of magnitude and phase angle of coefficients of network functions.